Face curves allows you to create a series of splines across the face of a surface. In this case, I have a boundary surface that connects two straight surfaces. And if I create a 3D sketch and choose the face curves option, and I have face curves added to my S shortcut bar, so I can easily add these in, but this can also be found in Tools, Sketch Tools, Face Curves. And you can define this either by a mesh or by position. And the mesh is simply going to evenly distribute your splines over the distance of, or over the horizontal and vertical distance of the surface. And we can do this by position as well. And that'll create two splines. If we want multiple splines, we have to use this mesh option, and we can choose any number of splines. We can also turn off a direction if we want, and then all you have to do is click OK, and it'll create those face curves. The face curves can be used for several different things. If we want to analyze the curvature across this face, we can turn on the curvature combs. And see what our curvature looks like. And the other thing this is useful for is that if we take a look at the curvature and we don't like what we see, or if you want to modify something, you can always use a few of these splines, keep them in place if we like the curvature, and we could always add in new splines at the other locations with a better curvature match or different curvature. Also, if you import in geometry from another CAD system, one issue you'll run into is not being able to modify the geometry. If you want to change something, you can simply add in the face curves, keep the areas you need, and modify the rest of the spline as you want. But typically most users that use the face curves use it to analyze the surface and see what the different areas of the surface look like with respect to the spline that passes through it.